walk you through the steps we took to build this rail fence. Come on. My name is Paige, and on this channel, I share all my DIY projects and lessons learned. Let's see how it went. Come on. I really like the look of a continuous rail fence rather than having the rails stacked. So, in order to make this a reality, we had to go with a lot bigger posts. The bigger posts meant that we could secure a rail at the joint. Here's the list of everything needed to complete this project, along with tens of thousands of dollars worth of equipment in the form of a tractor and a PTO-driven post pounder, or in our case, a generous neighbor that was willing to let us borrow his. After marking the location of the fence build, we pounded our posts in place using 8-foot spacings in between each post. The post could also be set using an earth auger or a post hole drill, but for the amount of posts that we needed to complete for the length of our fence, this hydraulic post pounder saved us days of backbreaking work. A bit of twine and a chunk of rail was used to mark the distance between each of our posts. Before I show you what we did to put the rails up and in place, I'm going to give you my top 2 tips from this project. Let's take a look. Tip number 1. Let's not assume common knowledge. Common knowledge is not common to all people, and I didn't know this. There is a backwards way to build a rail fence. When building a rail fence this style, you want to make sure that the rails are secured on the inside of your paddock. If you're just doing this project for a visual effect, then it doesn't really matter. But if you have animals in here and they're ever getting rowdy, you want to make sure that they're pushing into the fence, they're pushing the rails into the posts, because it's less likely that your fence will fail or break. And tip number 2, often the simplest solutions are the best. While we were working on the project, we cut a piece of rail down to size to act as a spacer between each of our rails. Added benefit, while we were securing one rail in place, we simply placed this one on the previous rail, rested the new rail in place, and hammered it secure. We used 16-foot pressure-treated rails in a 2 to 3 inch diameter. We worked one 16-foot section at a time, holding the rail in place, measuring any excess that needed to be removed, trimming it, then coming back and nailing it secure. We got started with this reciprocating saw, but learned quite quickly that the chainsaw worked much better for cutting down the rails. On this build, we opted for 6-inch nail over a leg screw for economic reasons. But if we were doing this project again, I'd seriously consider the added cost and the ease of a leg screw. Being able to use a drill would have saved a lot of aches and pains. And that's how this rail fence was built. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new, and if you're doing a similar project, I would love to hear about it. Drop something in the comments.